Jai Hind everybody, I welcome you all to my new vlog. I hope you all guys are doing good and I welcome you all to my channel. And yep, I am at my home today, and as you can listen the pouring outside. So yeah, it's raining heavily since the very morning. So yeah, it rained whole night. And as you guys know, India is having a El Nino this year. El Nino means ki no rains, but because of the Indian Ocean, so we are having a good monsoon this year, and also it will benefit the farmers. And yeah, because of this rain I am at my home instead of my institution. So at this time I should be in my institution attending to my lectures and making notes and making my syllabus complete. Means whole of the syllabus is done. Now they are just making us revise everything. So yeah, the math part is left a little bit, means the calculus one, and that's the last one. After that we'll be having regular tests. So yeah, I'll be utilizing this day quite good, because when it rains it feels like to be just in our cushions and watch some anime or any other movie. And as you cannot listen the fan sound, so yeah, I have not turned that on because it was just making me feel a little bit cold. So I have turned that off, and instead of being in my you can say mat, I am on my table, because it will make you feel very sleepy if you will be on your bed. And also it is not good to be on the bed all day, as it is told in the NDA to get up early in the morning. And after that no cat it is allowed to get on his bed again and have a nice sleep until the rest time comes. And in the rest time also there are some restrictions. So yeah, they just make the body whole, full of strength and stamina, so that the cadets never feel tired during their animation or during their postings. So not postings, but during the recruitment in different areas. So yeah, they are made like that. And with this spirit, let's start our today's job. So first let's make a to-do list of today, because the to-do list makes it a little bit easy to get on our studies fully. So, our first task of today would be to complete our revision, because we are doing maths since a lot of day. So, yeah, today we'll be not doing maths, and instead of that, we'll be doing our biology appears to me very simple and easy. So we'll be doing something else after that. After biology we'll be doing our geography, because geography part comes for 80 marks. And yeah, it is very important because of that, and I have not studied it sincerely since many days. So we'll be doing our biology and geography today. And after that our second task, means after 2 or 1.5 hours we'll be completing our English portion, because I want to learn seriously the English grammar, because it is a very light part of mine. So yeah, means you can see that I do not score very good in whenever the grammar comes. So yeah, I have to just make the rules tip of my tongue, so that I could score fully in the English part. And after that our whole day would be finished in these two tasks only, I think that. And if any time remains, we'll be just revising these two. So yeah, our whole day today is of GAT, you can say that. And whenever a to-do list is made, it is very easy to complete the day, because you have a very precise work to do in the day. So yeah, I also prefer you to make the to-do list for your studies. Guys, I wanted to tell something, that I am having this copy very easy because the most of the part of this notebook contains the biology part, and I do not know why I understand biology so easily. And also the teacher says that it's very easy, you have to just remember all of the facts and just understand. So yeah, till now I have completed my biology successfully, and now the geography starts with full focus. So yeah, the next pages are of geography only, and in between I have leaved something because I was not able to get that correctly, and I had leave that to write later, but that time never came. So yeah, I'll be filling that. And after that we are having our history. So yeah, our geography part you can see is this much, and I am having a little bit difficulty in it because these are very difficult to remember, not everything but something, except the others. So something contains the states, their capitals, and the countries, their capitals, and the South Asia region, all of the countries which the teacher had said to return. So yeah, that part is a little bit difficult, means the world geography, and then the oceanography. So I'll be revising it all, and I have successfully completed this much, and this much part was of biology and a little bit of geography in between, 1-2 pages you can say. So I do not know why I feel easy while reading biology, and with geography my hand is not that much light. So I just look at the time. It's correct 11:15, and I was at my table since 9:45. So yeah, 10:45. So we have successfully completed 1 hour 15 minutes. So now let's head forward. Guys, don't you feel that studying at home is better than studying at institution? Means going out for means the traveling cost and the overall tiredness. So I wanted to tell one thing, that I am having fun while studying at home because of today's weather, because it had started raining late in the night, means at 12 or 12:30, and it had rained for whole night, means with a gap in between, and it had rained all night. And if you will go outside you will feel that the rain had happened, means my even street is filled of water. So yeah, I am feeling very safe and dry at my home and even enjoying my studies. So instead of going out in the rainy season, I prefer to be at my home, because being outside makes your whole pant dirty, and even you sometimes your backpack and your cycles or anything which you wear outside. And that's obvious because rain has happened. So yeah, even I wanted to know if your streets are also filled with water. Is your area having rain? And if you guys romanticized while studying with me and watching my videos, so yeah, don't forget to hit that like button. Stay at your home, stay healthy, stay fit, stay dry, and be aware of the mosquitoes at this time, and also of the insects, because rainy season breeds them all. And chalo, jai hind, bye bye.